We got California Kid, the near lane. It's Reverse Racer. Their stage, let's go racing. Spitfire versus Identity Theft. The drivers on stage, the light goes green. Racer. And in the near lane, he thinks your winner is going to be Bill Payne and Rockstar. Rockstar versus Reverse Racer. The drivers are staged and they're This is for third and fourth place. In the far lane, who thinks your winner's going to be Reverse Racer? And in the near lane, who thinks your winner's going to be Spitfire? This is for third and fourth place. The drivers are staged and ready. It's green light. massive competition with 5 of the best monster trucks in the world, and now we're down to 2. Somebody's got to win, somebody's got to lose. This is your KTS Development Monster Truck Racing final round. In the far lane, from Port Orchard, Washington, it's Bill Payne and Rockstar. And in the near lane, from Kelowna, British Columbia, it's Marvin Anderson, Identity Theft. Somebody's got to win, somebody's got to lose. This is your KTS Development Monster Truck Racing final round. Rockstar takes the win in Monster Truck Racing.